Chaudhary of UBS Securities says that he will buy the Indian market only if it slips from current levels.
Brexit, obviously, if it leads to outflows from emerging markets generally, then India gets affected. It's difficult to say how markets will react because it will be a lot more specific technicals and sentiment driven rather than any material fundamental driven specifically for India. So India does not get that affected fundamentally from Brexit. So I won't worry too much about that. Whether I'd buy, we will look at buying on dips for India. Again, India still looks good long-term story from a 2-3 year perspective. But in our view, from a near-term perspective, next 6 months odd, these levels don't offer attractive risk reward. So I would wait for far lower levels from a near-term perspective to turn more bullish. Direct impact of monsoons is around only on 3% of GDP because agri is 15% and only 20% of agri GDP is directly influenced by monsoons. So positive side is overestimated. The negative side, you have to worry because this monsoon is coming on the back of 2 bad monsoon years. And while we have seen monsoons impact on inflation having been limited over the last 2 years, but given current water reservoir levels, it will matter for inflation, as you've seen in the last CPI print also. If we have a 3rd year of bad monsoons, will it force the government's hand and has implications? That would be a worry, definitely. We're still overweight telecoms per se, and our telecom analysts' view is that the launch of 4G, both from existing players as well as the new incumbent, would drive a data boom, which will take care of these concerns.